Hello my students, how are you? Grade 3. Today we'll explain from enVision Math, volume number 1, lesson 3, lesson 4, topic 3, apply properties 8 as a factor. We know 8 times 8 equals 64 and 8 equal 2 times 4. We can replace using commutative properties. About 2 times 4 equal 8 or 4 times 2 equal 8. Today we'll explain the factors of 8, like what 64 is a factor of 8 or 8 factors of 64. 64 can be divided by 8, then 8 is a factor of 64. Okay, and also 16 can be divided by 8, then 8 is a factor of 16. In this example here, look with me, there are 8 rows of braces. There are 6 braces in each row. How many braces are there? We can write product between two numbers. We have row contains of 4 or 8 rows. We have 8 rows, each row contains of 6 braces. Like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeated this 8 times. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows. Each row contains of 6 braces. Okay, we can cancel 2 here to get 6. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. You can complete this. You can also write by this step. We have 6. 8 times 6 equals 6 times 8 equal 48. You can find the product between two numbers by right. 8 equal 2 plus 2 plus 2 product by 6. We can use the distributive properties. 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6, and then 2 times 6 12. 2 times 6 12 plus 12 equal 36. Then the answer will be 36. Okay, you can use this method, or also you can divide this number by this other method, like this. 6 equal 4 times 6 plus 4 times 6. We can using distributive properties. Okay, like this step. Okay, steps you can also write product by 6 equal 4 plus 4 product by 6. We can write 4 times 6 plus 4 times 6. 4 times 6 24 plus 4 times 6 24. This result will be 48. This is the answer of this question. Understood? Next page. Now we will solve examples like this. Example, look here. Use 2 factors to find 8 times 8. 8 times 8 equals 4 groups of 2 each. We can write 4. Each row contains of 8. Then 8 times 8 equals 64. Like this. You can divide it by 2 of them. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 8 16. 2 times 8 16. And then 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 equals 64. So as 8 you can find the result by divided 8 equal 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times? 4 times. Look at here. 8 times 8. We can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It's 8. Product by 8. Okay, using distributive properties. 2 times 8 16, 16, 16, 16. Sum of them equals 64. Okay, it's the method. Or you can find another method by 4 times 4 and 4 times 4 and draw 2 rows. Each row contains of 4 rows and each row contains of 8 elements. 4 times 8 32. 32 plus 32 equal 64. You can use this method or this method. Okay, next question. What's the next question? In the down here we have question on this page like this. Tell how you can use 2, 3, and 4 factors to solve this problem. Simple answer here. These factors can be used to break apart 6 or 8 in the problem. 3 factors can be used to break apart 6 in the problem. 4th factors can be used to break apart 8 in the problem. Okay, and using part like this strategy or divided the numbers like this. What about 5 times 8? We can using distributive properties to find the result. We know 5 equal 3, 8 equal. He asked about 5 times 8 to help this number. Okay, we want to find the result about 8 times 8 by using this properties. 5 times 8 equal 40. We can write 8 here equal 5 plus 3 using distributive properties. And then write 5 times 8 plus 3 times 8. 5 times 8 equal 40 and 3 times 8 equal 24. 4 plus 0 equal 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. The result will be 64. Okay, we keep using distributive properties to find the result here. Next question. You asked about times 3. 3 times 8 equal 24. It's the equation. It's the relationship between two expressions using equal to between them. Next question, multiply 5 times 8, write and solve the multiplication equation. 5 times 8 equal 40. Next question, multiply 8 times 1. 8 times 1 equal 8. Also, 7 times 8, 56. 4 times 8, 32. 6 times 8, 48. 8 times 10, 80. 8 times 9, 72. And 3 times 8, 24. You can write the answer to this question. We have extra examples here. You can read it. Tables 8. Okay, you must know table 8 to find the result between product between two digits. Okay, now we will say what are the problems here. This example, look at here. Mean this for gifts. How much money did Ming spend, and show how you can use force fact to find the answer. Okay, he put 8 as 4 fields. We can write 4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, and 4 times 9 equals 36. The price here in this table, look at here, the price of this was 9. The price of one belt, it will be 9. We can find the price of the total which he put 8 belts. The price of one belt is 9. 4 times 9 equals 36. And he gave me this information. How much money did Bing spend? Show you can use force fact to find the result. We can write 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, but he put what? Twice. Look at here. To find the fact, force fact. Show you can, because Ming put 8 bolts for gifts. How much money did Ming spend? Show you can use force fact to find the answer. We can write 4 times 9 equals 36, and then 36 plus 36 equals 72. The result will be 72. Okay, you can find this method using distributive properties. Also, about the example, we can write 8 times 9 equals 72. By write 8 times 9 and using the properties which he said means the example, he tell me use these properties, this fact, force fact. 8 times 9, write 4 plus 4 times 9, and then we can write 4 times 9 plus 4 times 9 using distributive properties. 4 times 9 equals 36 and 4 times 9 is 36. Then the result will be 72. Okay, understood. Next question. Willa put shirt and sweater. She had $14 left. How much money did Willa start with, and how do you know the price of one sweater was 38? The remainder is here 14. We can add together 34 plus 14 to find the result. Okay, we can add together, so the result will be 61. Then the result will be in the total 61 plus 14, it will be 75. Okay, because put shirt and sweater. Okay, then we can write the price of sweater 38 and the price of one shirt equal 23, and then the result 8 to 14 because $14 left with her. Okay, then 3 plus 8 equal 11. 1 and carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3 6. 61 plus 14. 4 plus 1 5. 6 plus 1 7. The result will be $75 with her. Okay, the total money with her, which she going to the place to sit or to pay the shirt and sweater. The total money with here was $75. Next question, 26. Mr. Gerner spent $52 on research and $24 on gas. How many does Mr. Gerner spend? And write an equation and solve. Okay, we have 52 and 24. We can add together to find the result. The result will be $76. 4 plus 2 equals 6 and 5 plus 2 equals 7. Next question. Misha bought 7 boxes of orange tiles. There are 8 tiles in each box. How many tiles did Misha buy? We can product between two numbers, 8 and 7. He wants to write an equation and solve use properties and non-equality to title. Okay, we can write it as 7 or 7 times 8 equal 56 by using distributive properties. Okay, result will be 56. Like here, 7 times 8, we can write 7 product by 4 plus 4, and then write 7 times 4 plus 7 times 4 using distributive properties here and here. 4 times 7 equal 28 and 4 times 7 28. The result will be 56. Then Misha bought 56 tiles. Next question. Look at here. Aaron bought 6 packs of sports cards. There are 7 cards in each pack. How many sports cards will Aaron be all? We can product 6 by 7 using distributive properties. 6 product by 7. We know 6 equals 3. The 3 product by 7. 3 times 7. Well, 3 times 7. 3 times 7 equal 21, and 3 times 7 21. Then the result will be 42. Okay, using here distributive properties. Next question. Sophie says to find 8 times 8, I can find 8 times 4 plus 4. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. And explain. We're using here distributive properties because 8 times 8, we can write the first number here. 8 product by 4 plus 4 equivalent 8. And using 8 times 4 plus 8 times 4. 8 times 4 equals 32, and 8 times 4 equals 32. The result will be 64. Okay. Next question. Assessment practice. You know, 8 times 8 64 and 4 times 8 32. 3 times 8 24. You know this. 4 times 7 plus 4 plus 7 we can product because 8 equal 4 plus 4, and also 8 times 7 we can use a distributive properties here. 7 equal 5 plus 2. Okay, or you can write 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8. 8 times 7 shows last one. Okay.